Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on GitHub in 2025. If you spend a lot of time on GitHub, switching to dark mode can help reduce eye strain, especially during late-night coding sessions. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to github.com. If you already have an account, click Sign In at the top right corner and enter your credentials. New to GitHub, you can sign up quickly, but for this tutorial, we'll focus on existing accounts. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard. Here, you'll see an overview of your repositories and activities. Now, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look at the left-hand side and click on Appearance. This is where you can adjust how GitHub looks on your screen. On the Appearance page, locate the theme settings. You'll see several options, including the night theme. Click on Night to enable dark mode. GitHub will instantly switch to a sleek, dark layout, which reduces glare and gives your interface a modern, stylish look. A couple of tips. If you want to switch back to light mode, just follow the same steps and select Light. You can also choose Auto, which adjusts the theme based on your device's system settings. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on GitHub for a more comfortable coding experience. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more GitHub tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.